Hi, I'm Stefan from Extreme Group on our booth on IBC 2022, right now together with Yannick from Teamium. Yannick, could you please introduce us briefly into Teamium?
Sure. Teamium is a resource production scheduling. So we cover the need of scheduling for a facility, whatever is a broadcaster, production company, post-production, and not only tie the facility, but also the personnel requires. And as you can know, we need also services. So driving all the services and resources into one single planning.
So product name and company name are identical. What is the feature set of Teamium?
So Teamium is a modular solution, native cloud-based. So you can start by any request or quotation system. So most of the time people using CRM and you can talk to this existing CRM. But to avoid multiple data entry, we take this information and we create the project and we manage a project. A project, we have multiple ways to see it. On an accounting point of view, on a different schedule that people like and love to see, and also we're pushing beyond to any analytics. That's also the great topics now.
So you are covering the complete business process. Now, talking about production business processes, what do you think are the trending topics in the industry in this year?
You know, we take the positive thing of the pandemics, and what you see, this flex labor industry was really in the dire needs during the pandemic of remote working. And how did you work with remote worker? So yes, a lot of people adapt the tool, but Teamium was already built for that. So it was extremely easy to get a Teamium access to any of the user on Teamium platform and collaborate with the entire production crew. So the benefits is right that, communication, collaboration. And we didn't stick only within the Teamium ecosystem. What we have done this year, we put multiple add-ons. Add-on is you a freelancer, you get used to work on Google Calendar, we give you access. You get Outlook. I can name Microsoft 365. I can name also some kind of competition like Airtable. So what we have done, we have made this add-on to make it very simple to integrate. So you keep using your chat tool, your communication tool, but we keep all this information into one single place, and that everyone can access to a project, know what they need to do and what will be the next task. For me, really the big takeaway of this year.
So you've been already in a very perfect position. Then what have you done? What have you developed in addition? How have you perfectionized your product? What are the newest developments, the newest add-ons?
What we also seen is when we have aggregate these add-ons, there is also the issue of remote worker. How much time are you spending? So capturing the time of the people is something we had before, but we have even create higher level of automation where every people going on a meeting in one click, the time report is pre-filled for everyone. That's a simple thing, but saving a lot of hassle for any production stakeholder. So that's one example, capturing the time. The second is you won't meet together, so we connect with, I will put some name like Meets, Teams, solution that you can just in one click trigger your connection right away and get automatically you create the group. That's extremely simple, but so convenient to work with a team.
So would you say that these collaborative tools, like let's say Microsoft Teams and the others, is now part of the production process in media?
What we've seen, again, going back to what's happened, it's everyone jump. And the big winner during the pandemic was also I would say the Microsoft type or Google that was able to deploy quickly enterprise solution. Mm-hmm. So, as a Teamium, the one way for us is to talk to them. And we will not we start, by the way, to get our own chat, but it came to a point that de facto we're using enterprise solution that's already there. Now, what people like in our solution, we can enable all this channel in the platform. Sometimes you're using Teams internally. You may use another tool with your such client. Another client might use another solution. And in Teamium, hey, here's a platform, this is a hub for that.
Yannick, have many, many thanks for these insights. And if you are in production business, post-production and so on, and you have a need for a management system, please make your way to our website, x-dream-group.com. There you will find all the information. Please make contact to us to get deeper insights and a demo anytime.